So this is where we've done our last hiking. And I'm surprised that at this point is the watershed that divides between the Mississippi River and the St. Lawrence River. So glad to be here. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. Thank you so much for this memorable activity. So humbled to come with my husband. As I film him, he's also filming me. Let's see who films better. Given that today is our last day visiting Ohio and for the Ohio Mushroom Festival, we have come for our last hiking. I'm not alone. I'm with my partner.
Yes, hiking here. Which place is this? This is Nelson Ledges Quarry Park. Nelson. Yeah, not Quarry Park, Nelson Ledges State Park.
And with our host, Vint Wesley. Yeah. So we are going to do hiking as our last activity this morning, and then yeah, I'll keep you posted about what happens our last day. So those are the woods down there, up there, you can see.
Yeah.
And
this is part of a glacier shift, and it left a bunch of really cool rocks. We're going to walk in between. There's a bunch of fun roots hanging down them, and a lot of big oak trees. We're going to check some for some maitakes.
okay, please, let's go together.
Okay, good. My phone.
So these are the woods where we are going. What's the time?
What's that?
What time is it?
Time to get ill.
What time is it?
Time to get ill. It's not. It's sun up. Then we have sundown. 2 times today.
8 to 1. 8 to 1. Nomsana teguna yaka. Eh?
Read the message on the rock. And have a great day.
Okay.
So they have wished you a great day. Nelson Edges.
So we've come to the Nelson Edges. I always remain behind when the terrain is good. Now imagine what is going to happen today. I really don't know. Olwaleero naamalako. Simanyi nti mmalako.
Say what? Say what?
Olwaleero luno. Okumalako bya Mukama. Yeah? Mama, the place is beautiful. Eh. Wow.
Okay. So there's 2 sides to the. To the right has some water. Both sides have waterfalls. There's some really fun trails we're about to get into.
Auntie Kale.
You cannot imagine such a thing when you are on the road.
I know. We're just getting into that as well. Here, go up there. I'm gonna get a picture of you too.
Oh, woo!
Yeah. Wow.
I don't think you can see so well, but this is where I am.
But these rocks got stuck here.
Got stuck here.
They stayed here. Yeah. And then the ice broke through them and made these paths. So you know, it might have been at different times of water. Yeah. Chipmunk.
Implying that there are rocks that water cannot erode anymore.
It keeps eroding slowly by slowly.
Those Niagara Falls rocks, my friend. They no longer erode because that water.
I'm sure that erodes pretty well.
Kale, can you pass? Because we are getting.
I'm gonna help you down here. This stuff gets a little slippery, so definitely.
At one time, I think I'll put off my shoes. Hmm?
Yeah, just make sure you get good step.
Thank you.
Look at this. Don't it look like you could stand up behind it like a little balcony?
Hmm. Kachi,
You want to get up inside of there? Climb up in there.
you've ever been here? Tata Kenny, no. Please don't do that.
He's fine. And we did this as kids.
That would be the.
Get down here.
Guys, what's up?
Baba, mwepangisa rocks zammwe ez'ekibaale. Maama nnyabo.
Yeah, this is good, but only the
Now let me ask, how am I going to climb there?
Right up over here. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. I'll stand down here and he'll stand up here.
Mm-hmm. You come and.
Let me check here. We might. It looks like we're gonna have to climb a bit again.
Huh?
If you don't mind climbing, we can go this way.
She will cross. She will cross.
Okay.
Let's go. You just give her a pull there and then.
Let me try alone.
As long as you get on some flat ground there. This one we'll have to get up here as well, but or we crawl through there. Okay.
I cannot.
You cannot do what?
I cannot.
We gotta crawl through there.
This one is too big for her.
Yeah.
Woo! That's a good one to go through there.
Careful on that log there. I put your foot right here. I'll help you up here. Watch that log though, that's slick. You good?
One hand should be this side, then you give him the other hand. Like
go.
that.
With this foot, hand right here. There we go. Now we're climbing.
Hey. So you thought hiking is just walking through the woods, my friend?
Yeah.
But you've gone in front and I'm leaving my husband behind.
He's coming.
Come and help.
He's very fit. He's very fit.
Oh, this is nice.
Hey, we had not done this.
It's easy to bring that, yeah.
We had not.
There's nothing we've not done in the US.
We had not done. We had not done this.
Let's go this way.
That's where
There's
you
your
come
phone.
from. Oh, thank you. We had not done this. This one just got tired of the water.